You won't know what's holding you back in life until you're ready to be truthful with yourself. Before we get into any of the coursework or any of the guidebook for the Genesis program, we have a conversation about what truth is. Not your truth, what my truth. We lay the foundation of what truth is as we guide you through this process. As I guide you through this process, and together we recreate the understanding of who you are and who you want to become. And when you get to that fundamental piece and understanding of truth, you'll see very clear what's holding you back. That can be very scary for people. It can be very uncomfortable for people because you realize how many of your own obstacles, your own perspectives, your own interpretations have held you back, not only currently, but in many different ways in your life past, and will continue holding you back moving forward until you apply the element of truth to your life.